Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription really makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss our upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. Uranus, one of the ice giant planets in our solar system, is a fascinating and mysterious object of study. Its orbital position, atmospheric composition, and especially its extraordinary orbital tilt make it an ideal candidate for scientists seeking to better understand the dynamics of planetary bodies and the physical laws that govern our solar system. Although many aspects of Uranus have already been discovered, there are still many questions that scientists have not been able to answer, and its unique nature continues to fuel new hypotheses and discoveries. Uranus is the seventh planet in our solar system and is about 2.9 billion kilometers away from the Sun, about 19 times the distance between the Earth and the Sun. Its orbit lasts 84 Earth years, and its rotation is relatively slow, with a day lasting about 17 hours and 14 minutes. Uranus has a diameter of about 50,724 kilometers, roughly 4 times the diameter of Earth, and its mass is about 14.5 times that of Earth, classifying it as an ice giant, a type of planet that contains a large amount of water, ammonia, and methane, along with hydrogen and helium. Its atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, together accounting for about 83% of its mass, but the most interesting component is the presence of methane, which gives the planet its characteristic blue-green color. Methane absorbs red light and reflects blue and green light, making Uranus appear a color that distinguishes it from larger planets like Jupiter and Saturn. Uranus is also one of the coldest planets in the solar system, with average temperatures around 224 degrees Celsius, making it the coldest planet, even colder than Neptune, despite being closer to the Sun. The most distinctive feature of Uranus is its orbital tilt. Similar to how Earth has a tilt of about 23.5 degrees relative to the ecliptic plane, Uranus has an incredibly pronounced tilt of about 98 degrees. This means its rotational axis is almost parallel to the plane of its orbit. Its poles are practically pointed toward the Sun during its orbit, creating extremely long seasons. Each season on Uranus lasts about 21 years. With long periods of continuous daylight and complete darkness at its poles. The planet doesn't have a day, as we understand it, but rather a long alternation between continuous light and darkness lasting from 17 to 21 years, depending on its orbital position. This tilted rotation has made Uranus one of the most difficult celestial objects to observe and understand. Unlike other planets like Jupiter, which rotate almost vertically relative to the orbital plane, Uranus's extremely tilted rotation imposes unique observational conditions. The position of its poles, constantly changing during its 84-year orbit, contributes to the still poorly understood behavior of the planet's atmosphere. During a solar eclipse, for example, the Sun remains visible for years at Uranus's summer poles, while the winter poles stay in darkness for just as long. The origin of this bizarre tilt is still a mystery, but the most widely accepted theories suggest that it is the result of a catastrophic collision that occurred during the early stages of the solar system's formation. A major impact with a massive body, perhaps a protoplanet similar in size to Earth, could have transferred an enormous amount of kinetic energy to Uranus, significantly tilting its rotational axis. This impact could also have affected the orbits of its moons and the planet's rings. Numerical simulations, recreating the conditions of the early solar system, support this theory. It is possible that Uranus was struck by an object similar in size to a large moon, causing the planet's tipping over. The catastrophic impact hypothesis is also supported by the characteristics of Uranus's moons, which seem to orbit in a plane similar to the planet's original orbit, as if Uranus had reshuffled its tilt without drastically altering the arrangement of its moons. Uranus has a system of 27 known moons, the largest of which are Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon. These moons are much smaller compared to those of Jupiter and Saturn, but they have geological and chemical features that make them fascinating. For example, Miranda shows an incredibly varied landscape, with enormous canyons, mountains, and a checkerboard pattern suggesting past geological activity. Ariel and Titania, on the other hand, show signs of erosion and ice formation, suggesting ancient geological activity. Uranus's rings are less known and visible than Saturn's, but they are still an important part of the planet's system. Uranus has 5 main rings, which are much darker than Saturn's and consist mainly of dust and ice particles. Their radii extend from about 38,000 kilometers to 98,000 kilometers from Uranus's center and are tilted about 27 degrees relative to Uranus's equator, reflecting the planet's own tilt. The presence and structure of these rings are partly influenced by Uranus's tilted position and the gravitational forces exerted by its moons. Uranus was first discovered in 1610 by Galileo Galilei, but he did not recognize the object as a planet, mistaking it for a star. The credit for the official discovery of Uranus as a planet goes to William Herschel, who in 1781 observed the celestial body and correctly identified it as a new planet. Herschel, using his reflector telescope, not only discovered Uranus but also studied its position and orbital characteristics, becoming the first astronomer to document Uranus's movement around the Sun. Subsequent observations, mainly conducted with ground-based telescopes, revealed little about its complex nature, but it was only with the arrival of space probes that scientists were able to gather detailed data. In 1986, NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft was the only one to visit Uranus and provide essential images and information about the planet. Voyager 2's observations confirmed its extraordinary tilt and revealed unexpected details about Uranus's atmosphere, composition, and the arrangement of its moons and rings. The enigmatic nature of Uranus, with its unique tilt and unusual atmospheric and geological characteristics, continues to attract the interest of astronomers and astrophysicists. Future missions could bring new insights into this planet, finally resolving the mysteries related to its tilt and formation. NASA's Uranus Orbiter and Probe mission, a proposed project to explore Uranus and Neptune in greater detail, could offer a unique opportunity to study the planet up close and improve our understanding of planetary formation, its systems of moons and rings, and the extreme atmospheric phenomena occurring on a planet with such an extraordinary tilt. In the future, Uranus may also prove crucial for better understanding the formation and evolution of ice giant planets, both within and beyond our solar system.